Today we're gonna have Dave's hot chicken, fries, the mac and cheese, and the Dave's hot chicken slider with the pickles and sauce on the side. It looks so good. It's good. Whew. And this is the spicy barbecue saucy bites. That first initial taste is a little alarming, but it's good. I like it. I'm here for it. And we got everything in the pot, and then they gave us some extra pickles. And you know your girl loves pickles. Let's slather this some on there. So we're getting our sandwich and dipping it in the sauce. Honestly, there is a Chick-fil-A right next to Dave's Hot Chicken. Oh, it's spicy. And it just never dies down. So good. Get some of that Dave's fries, dip it in the sauce. Dave's sauce. It's so good. It's spicy, but it's delicious. When it gets a little spicy, I like to take the pickles and put it on my tongue. It's honestly so good. I ate the patty. It's gone. I love pickles so much, guys. Saucy bites with the macaroni. Macaroni is good. Oh, goodness. Let's eat the kale slaw. And you down it like a jello shot. Thanks for joining me on today's Mukbang, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. I'm washing my hands, guys. Give me a minute. All right, bye, guys.